I'm going to be adding this 3-in-1 combined Pannier set to my Ride 66 e-bike today. I'll show you the company flyer that came with the Pannier set. It's a Chinese company called Waterfly. So very well made set. So I'll go ahead and start putting the product on. The thing is, the top bag you can put on by itself. It has a strap that is not needed when you have the side panniers on. Very easy to install. I ordered mine on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to check them out. One thing these will allow me to do is when I'm out, there's been times where I want to go to the grocery store and I didn't have a bag on me. I didn't even have my backpack. Just allow me to go ahead and go to the store without having to come back home or carry a plastic bag on my handlebars. And so with this top bag, they do have these straps for if you want to use them alone, but the way it does, you just set it here, and each one of the clips has a match. Which I think even after I get done, I'm going to attach that strap just so, I mean it's clipped, but I don't want it dangling around. So I got the 6-point clips are attached and they can be tightened to keep this from wobbling around. So I'll just tighten them down a little bit for now. And one more clip. And that's tight. They're not going to do anything as far as those go. So there, and just that quick, the set is added. So I'll show you the setup that I have for my bike, because I think this is all that I'll be adding to it. So on the back I have the Pannier set. You can see it's clear. There's not obstructing any of the mechanical parts. Very well made. And then at the front I have 2 cell phone holders. Got one for my phone, and so once you get your phone lined up with this one, I can lock it in place just that easy. It has a lock in the back, so very sturdy. Got one for my phone, I mean my speaker. In here I have in my side pocket I have a battery charging my speaker. I have my phone connected to my bike, and then when I turn it on, if the battery is low, I can charge it. So you heard it come on. You can see the green light. So I'm pretty much ready. I can make stops when I need to. It doesn't add any weight. Those panniers are very light. And so once again, I'll show you the card. It's 3-in-1 multifunctional combined panniers. by Waterfly. You can get them, I guess, at waterfly.com or through Amazon. Very affordable. Great product. Have a nice evening.